Hi everyone, now that a few months have passed, I'd like to share the results of my planting water lilies without soil and without fertilizer. I recently posted two videos where I shared the techniques and my reasons for doing so, and I'll leave links to those videos in this video's description. So from the top, you can see that this water lily isn't quite as huge as when I used to use soil and fertilizer, but its leaf spread is about 18 inches to 20 inches, and that's good enough for me. Here's a view of the bottom side with all the roots. So this method is reversible, so if I ever need my water lilies to become huge again, I'll just simply pot them once again in soil and use fertilizer. But for now, this method is easy, and I plan to use this for a while. Thanks for watching.